Hey guys, Daphne and I are at the park today. I'm gonna do a little bit of a longer video today since I'm leaving here on the 27th to go down to Florida for a few days to visit my aunt and my mom. So we're gonna do a little bit of a different video. We're here at the park and it's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of chilly today. I have my jacket on. It's around 52 degrees right about now. So we spotted a beaver, or maybe, I think it's a beaver, but he's just a few feet ahead. I'm gonna try to get him on camera. Hold on. Good time. The dog park is actually separated 3 different ways. It has a let me stop here because Daphne's pulling me, I'm out of breath. It has an area for larger dogs, which is right behind me. Then the area where I showed you where Daphne was going up the little bridge, that is for training them, which is really neat. And the fences all connect, so the dogs can actually sniff each other and all that, but without having actual contact. Then on the other side of the training area, there is a area for smaller dogs. So we just ended up leaving because we're gonna go grab some water and all that. And there was a lady in there that was just kind of snooty. So I was trying to show Daphne how to do one of the bridge thing that she was doing. There was another one on the other side that was a little bit different. And she was like, "Ma'am, please do not walk on those." And I was like, "Excuse me?" Anyways, instead of just dealing with her, I decided to be polite and leave. So we've got the whole park to walk around in, and she's got a lot to explore. So stay tuned.